Hey guys, today we're going to be working on multiplying decimals by decimals. So this is our third part. So if you want to see easier problems, you might want to go to part 1 or part 2. So now let's work with this problem. Again, this is multiplying decimals, so you do not do the same rules as adding or subtracting decimals. So we do not line up the decimals. It does not matter. It is better to take the longer problem and put it on the top. So the 0.03 will go on the top for me, and then the times 0.8 will go on the bottom. Again, it does not have to line up with the decimal. It can be however you wish. Just make sure it's all the way to the right. All right, let's start multiplying. So 8 times 3 is 24, so we're going to put a 2 and a 4. Then 8 times 0 is 0, but you got the 2, so it's going to be a 2. And then you have 8 times 0, which is 0. Now remember to always put your 0 in the first place, and we are done with that number. Now let's move on to the next one. So 0 times 3, 0. 0 times 0, 0. And 0 times 0, 0. Again, I like to always add those zeros because that helps me later with moving the decimal, but that is totally up to you if you want to do that. All right, so now we are going to be adding our problem. So 4 times 0 is 4, 2 times 0 is 2, 0 times 0 is 0, and then 0 plus 0 is 0. So now we need to worry about the decimal. So we have a decimal here, and we need to move it over. So it's going to be 1, 2. So we moved it 2 places. Here, we're only going to move it 1 place. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we moved it in 3 spaces total. So therefore, we are going to go down here to our answer. We have our imaginary decimal at the end, and we are told that we need to move it 3 times. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and that is why your zeros are important, so you don't mess up with your answer. And your final answer is 0.024. You can also write it as 0.024, up to you. Answers are still accurate.